Hello friends, in this video you are going to learn some Hindi words. Shall we start? All or every. All or every. Sabhi, sabhi. Room, room. Kamra, kamra. Chair, chair. Kursi, kursi. Empty, empty. Khali, khali. You, formal. Up, up. You, informal. Tum, tum. You. Familiar. Tu, tu. Hope, hope. Asha, Asha. And or more. And or more. Our. Yes, yes. हाँ. Both, both. दोनों. Fan, fan. पंखा. Stone. पत्थर. Child. बच्चा. Language. भाषा. Home. घर. Table. Maze. Mother. माँ. Here. यहाँ. There. वहाँ. Boy. लड़का. Girl. लड़की. White. सफ़ेद. Black. काला. Red. लाल.